Data migration step by step. In this presentation, I will explain what data migration is, why it is important, and how we can move data into a database. Planning. Planning is the first and most important step of data migration. In this phase, we prepare everything before we move the data. Define goals. Why do we need data migration? What do we want to achieve? Examples: move to a new system, combine multiple databases, improve performance. B. Identify systems. What is the source system? What is the target system? Are there other connected systems? C. Select the data. Do we migrate all data or only part of it? Do we include all archive data? Are they their personal or sensitive data? Choose migration strategy. One big step all at once, or step-by-step migration. When should we do it? Night, weekend? Assign roles and tasks. Who is the project leader? Who will test the data? Is there an external partner? Plan of risks. What can go wrong? Examples: data loss, long downtime. Do we have a backup? Do we have a rollback plan? Create a timeline. When does migration start? How long does each step take? When do we test? When do we go live? Source data analysis. Identify data sources. Where is the data now? One database or many? External files, Excel, CSV. Understand the data structure. What tables or fields are there? What types of data? Text, number, date. Are tables connected? Check data quality. Are some fields empty? Are these duplicates? Are values in the right format? Find data issues and clean up needs. What needs fixing before we move? Example: change date format, remove bad characters. Do we need to delete or useless data? Estimate data volume. How many records and tables? How big is the database? How long it will take to migrate? Understand the data relationships. What connections the data? Are there rules we must follow? Every order must have a customer. A map. Mapping and transformation rules. A map sorts the target fields. Match each old field to a new field. Example: username to full name. Check and adjust the data types. Is the data type the same? Example: text versus number. Change data formats. Example: the data conversion. Standardize phone numbers, prices, dates. Convert to values. Example: male, female to M per if. Use codes or simplified values. Add default values. The new system might need fields not in the old systems. Example: set created at today's date. Combine or split data. Example: first name plus last name equal full name. Or split one field into two if need. Testing the migration. Before we move all data, we do a test migration with a small amount of data. Choose test data. Select a small but very varied sample. Include different types of records or new complete mixing values. Run migration in test environment. Move test data to a test system. Do not use live or real systems. Check the result. Is the data correct in the new system? Are all values in the right place? Are relationships, links still okay? Use automated checks if possible. Compare records, counts, check formats and key values. Use scripts to make checking faster. Measure time and performance. How long does migration take? Are there any technical problems? Learn from the test. Find and fix problems now. Input the migration scripts. Be better prepared for full migration. We know we move all the data to the new system. This is the most important step in the whole process. Make final backup. Save our source data before migration. If something goes wrong, we can restore it. Prepare for system downtime. Stop the old system during migration. This avoids the new data being created during the move. Tell users when the system will be down. Run the migration. Use the migration tools or scripts. Move all data step by step. Log every action and result. Check the migrated data. Compare number of records, old versus new. Check key data and important values. Make sure nothing is missing. Handle errors. Some data may fail to migrate. Log the errors, fix or manually complete missing records. Finalize the process. New system becomes active. Old system is turned off or archived. Save report the migration. Check data accuracy. Do records counts match old versus new? Are key values the same? IDs, dates, names. Do important fields have the right content? Check data relationships. Are all links between tables correct? Example: does each other have a customer? No missing or broken connections. Test system functions. Can users search, list, and report data? Do filters and queries work correctly? Are there any errors when using the system? Ask users to validate. Let real users try the new system. They know the data best. They can report if something feels wrong. Fix any problems found. Correct missing or wrong data. Update mapping to transformation rules. Run small updates if needed. Document the results. Save validation reports. Get approval from business users or managers. Confirm that migration is successful. Go live. Now the system go live. Users stop using the old system and start working with the new one. Final no-go decision. Check if everything is ready. Get approval from managers and users. Choose a good time for go live, weekend, low traffic period. Switch to the new system. Users now use the new system. Old system is closed, archived, or set to read-only. All new data goes into the new database. Communicate with users. Inform users about the change. Explain what's new or different. Tell them how to get help if needed. Monitor the system. Watch for errors or slow performance. Check logs, alerts, and error reports. Be ready to react quickly if something goes wrong. Test in real use. Try real actions. Add customers, create invoices, run reports. Make sure everything works with real data. Post-migration support. After go live, we still need to support the users and fix any problems. This helps the system run smoothly in real life. Fix any errors. Some problems appear only after go live. Example, missing data, wrong formats, log and fix them quickly. Help the users. Users may have questions or needed training, offer support, chat, email, phone, create fake or show how-to guides. Update documentation, update user guides and manuals, explain new processes and changes, run correction, migrations if needed. Remigrate some missing or fixed data. Example, one table was caved or wrong values were moved. Monitor the system. Keep watching for errors or slowdowns. Use monitoring tools, alerts, and logs. Collect lessons learned. What worked well? What should be improved next time? Document the experience for future projects.